Happy Monday and welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. If you're new here, welcome. This channel works by searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs that are hiring right now and sharing them with you on a daily basis, Monday through Friday. Of course, if you are looking to get to any of the pages that I share or skip on to the next one if one's not for you, I have links and timestamps always in the YouTube description box below this video. This is a United States work from home channel. My expertise is in the United States job market. I work as a hiring manager in the United States, so just know that most of the jobs that I'm going to share are going to be for the United States only. But in today's video, we have a data entry position that is literally hiring with no experience needed. They are completely willing to train, and training is during a certain time period, but after that, they're offering two different shifts available, first and second. So if you need that off shift, second shift, non-traditional shift, we have you covered. So we are going to dive on in. Now, first up, we have beauty retailer Sephora hiring. Sephora has 10,000 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. Sephora is looking for an assistant gift cards manager, so a manager over their gift cards and like digital e-commerce section. This is going to be full-time and it is going to be a remote position. But they are looking for somebody to manage the team that is going to see all the initiatives and operational functions for gift card activations, gift card redemptions across Sephora in North America, that is US and Canada. So you're going to prepare and own documentation related to creative specifics and messaging direction for the digital marketing vehicles. You're going to organize and launch campaign details. Identify opportunities to improve and maintain the overall inventory health of gift cards by monitoring and sharing any updates related to inventory and warehouse activity, like creation, stock reports, inventory forecasts, and shipping updates. Now, gift cards go hand in hand with all the inventory, because if somebody buys a gift card to give as a gift to someone, or somebody has a gift card, they can only use these gift cards in the Sephora stores, which means that they are later going to buy products from the stores. So you are gatekeeper of all internal gift card orders, managing and reviewing requests from employee partners, and just streamlining the feedback process for solutions for retail stores. You are just the everything gift card expert person. Now for this position, it pays very well, but they are preferring a bachelor degree. It says they'll take equivalent experience over that, but if you have a bachelor degree or they have someone who has a bachelor degree on their resume, that's what they're really looking for. And they're looking for somebody who has 3 to 5 years of experience in a fast-paced, high-growth environment. Of course, you have to have great communication skills, great problem solving and thinking skills, and somebody who is a creative self-starter. This is a remote position. You've got to kind of be determined and get yourself going. Now, pay is anywhere from $71,145 a year up to $94,620 a year, depending on things like location and experience. Now, moving right along, if you don't mind a little bit of phone work, I try to mix it up and throw a little bit of something for everyone in my videos. We have Trusted Health hiring. Trusted Health has 238 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a care coordinator for their customer service representative. Again, this is going to be full-time remote. But just as a care coordinator sounds, this is going to deal with health care. So you're going to be responsible for triaging, supporting, and resolving issues that their clinicians, doctors, nurses, things like that may face. So you're really triaging, routing, and answering inbound phone calls and questions received from these clinicians across the phone apps, the SMS, in-app chat, email, telephone, all the different mediums that they provide. And you're just providing prompt quality responses to these clinicians. Now, you will be in a positive and empathetic attitude while you're helping these clinicians with their workflows and providing a constant personalized experience for the working clinicians. And you're going to work cross-functionally to maintain NPS of 95 or above, so like a satisfaction score. So you are going to be graded on your quality and satisfaction. And of course, they're always looking for you to identify any trends or areas that you see where process improvement could happen and escalate that up. They only require a high school diploma or GED and 2 to 4 years of customer service experience. Of course, you've got to be able to use a computer, navigate around multiple software systems. So they're looking for somebody who is tech savvy and can learn software and different online tools quickly, like how to use Slack or CRMs, workflow software like Asana, or customer email software. They are looking for somebody who can work quickly and independently and just thrive in that fast-paced environment. Pay for this one is anywhere from $21 an hour up to $28 an hour. And of course, if you are here because you're looking for data entry that requires no experience, we have Conduent hiring. Conduent has 10,000 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a data entry associate. Now, please note it says this job is available in 2 locations, and there is a little link that says see all. When you click that link, it'll pop up. They are based out of Lexington, Kentucky, but it also says it is remote US for the United States. Now let's talk about pay just starting out. Jobs that require absolutely no experience and no skills, they are spending a lot of their time and energy and effort to train you. So these jobs, while they are some out there that will take you on with no experience, and it is a way for you to get your foot in the door and get some experience working from home or some experience with different jobs to just have on your resume to then be able to apply to other jobs. Just know going in that no experience jobs generally do not pay very high salaries. Someone is not going to pay $80,000 a year for someone who has no skills at all. Just know those higher paying jobs are for people who have already built up their skill set. So with that being said, this one only pays $14 an hour. But good news is they offer overtime and some Saturdays. So you might have opportunities to make additional money outside of your normal 40 hours a week. They are going to train you for the first 6 weeks. Now, you do have to be available Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. for training. Outside of training, they have 2 different shifts available. The early first shift of 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. and then a second shift that starts at 2 p.m. and goes to 10 p.m. at night. Now, the basis of the job is literally just doing data entry. You're going to be looking at documents, reading information off that document, and entering it into their computer system. And of course, again, they're training for all of that. So you just have to be able to pass a typing test with at least 45 words per minute, be 18 years or older, have a high school diploma, and be eligible to work in the United States. Now, I don't know what kind of data and information you're going to be entering, but they do make you pass a criminal background check and drug screening. Now, next up, we have a Restaurant 365 hiring. They have 197 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a workforce support specialist. Again, this is full-time remote for the United States. Now, Restaurant 365 is a software as a service or software as a solution company for the restaurant industry. So they offer software products for restaurants. And of course, with any kind of software or computer apps, gadgets, things, you're going to have people who run into technical issues. So that is what you are really going to be there for. You're going to be responding to those technical support tickets, prompting those customers to give you additional information if needed to troubleshoot their problems. You're going to reach out to these customers by phone and maybe do some like Zoom, WebEx, do some screen sharing to help understand what their technical problem is and help them kind of solve that. So you're helping customers understand payroll integration functions into the Restaurant 365 software. You're diagnosing and documenting all of these software defects. And of course, you are identifying any ticket self-help documentation that can be created. So you're really looking for trends. If there's multiple people having the same issue and you're fixing it the same way, you'll have to create that self-help documentation or like a PDF training guide. So then you don't have to help with that issue anymore. That can just be put out for everyone to read. They are looking for somebody, though, who has previous background with like payroll or HR systems, great attention to detail. You've got to know how to use spreadsheets, specifically like Microsoft Excel, somebody who is solution-oriented and mindset. So you're just going to keep digging until you find the solution that works. And of course, you've got to have great communication skills. But pay for this one is anywhere from $26 an hour up to $30 an hour. Now, $30 an hour is probably somewhere in the like $62,000 to $63,000 a year range. Just throwing that out there. Now, next up, we have Enterprise Mobility hiring. Enterprise Mobility has 4,600 reviews with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a work-from-home reservation sales representative. Now, please note all the way down towards the bottom under qualifications, it does say that you have to live in one of these select states, so they do have state restrictions. But they are looking for somebody to handle 80 to 100 incoming back-to-back phone calls a daily, booking reservations on their 3 brands worldwide. So enterprises like do car rentals and all kinds of things like that. So you're going to be on the phone constantly throughout your shift. You're just going to receive any feedback from your managers where they think you could improve your call quality and apply that feedback. So you've got to be just very willing to take constructive criticism, just providing that excellent customer service and booking these reservations. Now, they are looking for somebody to work full-time, 40 hours a week. Schedules start between 6:30 a.m. and 1 o'clock p.m., so know that schedules in different shifts range. Now, they are going to provide 2 weeks of training, and training is going to be during the day, a straight 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. in that Central Standard Time Zone. So you get paid virtual training, but if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours. Now, pay for this is $17.25 an hour. And they're really looking for somebody outside of someone who lives in one of those states who is 18 years or older, has 1 year of sales experience, and is authorized to work in the United States. Now, please note with this one, it does look like you have to have your own computer and internet. And last but not least, I thought I would throw in a little fun, cool job. All Trails is hiring. All Trails has an app that you can download like on your smartphones for people who enjoy hiking, who are looking for trails to go hike. All Trails has 29 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a remote trail data contractor. Now, this is going to be a 10-9 contract job, and it is going to be part-time. But they are looking for somebody to basically be the subject matter expert in hiking events and things that are going on, conditions of trails, and other information that impacts company operations or customer experience with the app or the trails that they're hiking. You're going to assist with the trail data integrity initiatives to ensure ongoing accuracy of all their trail data. So I don't know if you have to take feedback from the online support app where people might fill out the contact us form or something like that. Not sure, but this app tries to keep just like you expect when you go to your Google Maps or your iPhone's map GPS thing and type in an address. You expect it to know the roads and any road changes or reroutes to be updated in the app. All Trails kind of does the same thing with hiking trails. They try to keep the trails and data up to date if trails are closed or rerouted or things like that. They want to make sure that all the information is up to date in the app. So you're just coordinating all these research tasks to make sure that the trail data is complete and accurate, providing any feedback where needed. So while this is a fun little part-time job, they're looking for somebody who's available 25 to 30 hours a week. They are looking for somebody who has experience hiking or doing other outdoor activities. So if you're very adventurous, this might be a great part-time job for you. Of course, you've got to be detail-oriented and have strong communication skills. Pay for this one runs anywhere from $18 an hour up to $25 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I can never make any promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.